Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my honest 2-week review of the Dr. Althea Reju 5000 Cream, a Korean moisturizer designed to soothe and repair sensitive skin. It contains vegan PDRN, Centella Asiatica, EGF, and Hyaluronic Acid, and it's priced between $23 and $29. I used it morning and night for 14 days to see if it actually works. The texture is soft and slightly bouncy, not too thick and not too watery. It spreads easily, absorbs well, and leaves a natural healthy glow without feeling greasy. It layers nicely under sunscreen and makeup and doesn't pill, which I really liked. In terms of ingredients, vegan PDRN helps support skin repair, Centella calms redness and irritation, EGF supports smoother texture over time, and hyaluronic acid keeps the skin hydrated and plump. The formula mainly focuses on barrier repair and hydration rather than strong anti-aging. After 2 weeks, I did notice improvements. My skin felt more hydrated within a few days, redness was slightly reduced, and my overall texture looked smoother and calmer. My skin also felt less reactive when using active ingredients. However, I didn't see dramatic changes in fine lines or pigmentation. The results are subtle and supportive, not transformational. I think this cream is best for sensitive, dry, or combination skin, especially if your barrier is damaged or irritated. Very oily skin types might find it slightly rich during the day. Overall, yes, it is working, especially for soothing and hydration. It's not a miracle anti-aging cream, but it's a reliable barrier support moisturizer. For the price, I think it's worth trying if you want something gentle and calming. That's my honest 2-week review. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.